Well, hey there. I have 3 questions for you today that are kind of probing questions to ask yourself as you want to move forward, and maybe something is holding you back. It could be fear, and many times it is fear. So let's do the questions, and you can answer them for yourself. Okay, number 1, what are you afraid of if you move forward? A lot of times it's, I don't think I'll be up to it. But that comes a step at a time. Nobody's 100% up to it when they start. I certainly wasn't. I would say I was probably, if you just count my skills, like my technical skills, secretarial skills, and business skills, just like the ability to handle clients. I had that out the wazoo because I had run a business and I had grown up in a business, and I had worked as a cashier, and I had worked with people, but I was intensely shy. So I don't think that, oh, Leslie, I'm an introvert. I was an extreme introvert for all the way through high school, my whole childhood and into high school. So don't think that should stop you or will stop you. That's a choice. That is a choice. Number 2, what would it feel like to eventually have a decent salary? And decent, I can't quote that, okay? That's not for me to quote. That's for you to develop your skill sets, your legal knowledge. You notice I'm not saying experience. That plays into it later on, but in the beginning, legal knowledge and your basic skills that you are going to use on day 1. As a beginner, people know you're a beginner, but I'm going to tell you, they don't cut you much slack. So they didn't cut me that much slack. They were kind, but I had to, type quickly and get the work done. And I had a lot on my plate in that first job, and every job that I've had, but you have to step up. And it doesn't mean it's impossible. I just figured if it didn't work out, I'd say adios. And I just had no idea if it would work out. So I had to go into it blindly, and figure it out. And I think you're going to have to do that as well. Number 3, so what's the next step to move you toward that goal, and when will you take it? Today? I hope so. Go to my website, look under every single tab, paralegalcoffeetalk.com.